Hey everyone! If you're new to the US or just getting started with your finances, you've probably heard how important your credit score is. But here's the thing, if your score is at 0 or if you have no credit history, don't panic. You're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your credit score from 0, step by step. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get a secured credit card. The most beginner-friendly way to start building credit is with a secured credit card. Here's how it works. You deposit some money up front, let's say $200, and that becomes your credit limit. Use the card for small, regular purchases like groceries or gas. But here's the golden rule. Always pay off your full balance on time every month. This shows lenders that you're responsible and reliable, and that's what really boosts your score. Step 2. Become an authorized user. This is a powerful trick. Ask a parent, sibling, or trusted friend to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You don't even have to use the card. As long as they pay on time and keep their balance low, their good credit history will reflect on your credit report too. This can significantly speed up the process of building your score. Step 3. Always pay on time. This is the single most important factor in building credit. One missed or late payment can seriously damage your score, especially in the beginning. Set up automatic payments or calendar reminders. Even being a day late can hurt, so stay on top of it, always. Step 4. Keep your credit utilization low. What does that mean? It means don't use too much of your available credit. Let's say you have a $500 limit. Try not to use more than 30%, which is $150. If you use more than that regularly, it may signal financial stress to lenders, even if you pay it off every month. Lower utilization equals higher credit score. Step 5. Check your credit reports regularly. Many people don't know this, but you can check your credit reports for free once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Make sure your information is accurate. Look for any errors, fraud, or outdated accounts. If you find anything wrong, you can dispute it and potentially fix your score faster. Bonus tips: keep your oldest credit card open, even if you don't use it much. Length of credit history matters. Don't apply for too many cards at once. Every application can trigger a hard inquiry and lower your score temporarily. Use apps like Credit Karma or Experian to track your score and monitor your credit health for free. Final thoughts: building credit doesn't happen overnight, but if you follow these steps and stay consistent, you can go from 0 to 700 plus in less than a year. So don't wait, start today. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more personal finance tips made simple. See you in the next one.